Moving on will be Filecoin against BTC. Here we are for Filecoin. Yeah, so the question we always ask is this, you know, when things were rising, right? We were asking, is this the bottom? You know, you can do a replay. Okay, so if you do a replay, you'll be able to see, okay, this zip up, right, coming on for Filecoin against BTC. So the question again you ask is this the bottom, right? So another thing you want to look at is the trend. Are we under the skinny pink line, or are we above the skinny pink line? We're under the skinny pink line, so the bearish bias continues for Filecoin. And after that, yeah, eventually what happened? We zip back down, right? This was a lower low. Again, there was a zip back up coming. That came for Filecoin. When you see things like this, you must be very, very careful. Just look at the skinny pink line. We're still under it. So the bear trend is still on. So yeah, I know this is a cut through, but the thing is this a sustainable move? Sure, we are aware that this whole thing could turn into an inverse head and shoulders maybe, but we have to stay above the skinny pink line. So that's why it's very important to wait. See this right shoulder first after inverse head and shoulders before doing anything, right? Sometimes, of course, we could just zip back up, right? Of course, anything is possible. But the point is, you want to be, safety is always number one priority. And eventually what happened? We zip lower. We didn't get that inverse head and shoulders, right? So we want to see this first. We have to stay above the skinny pink line. We couldn't. The bearish trend was so strong for Filecoin, and Filecoin continues to bleed against BTC. And again, look at this, the volume. Look at the volume that came, right? Anyway, we got a lower low. Any clear signs of a reversal for Filecoin against BTC? No, you don't see any bottoming or any. Yeah, no, we don't see anything for Filecoin against BTC. So that's why you have to be very, very careful, and you have to respect the skinny pink line, right? Respect the trend. Filecoin against USDT. Here we are for Filecoin. Yeah, but Filecoin has been going sideways. Bitcoin has been rising. Filecoin sideways. Eventually, hopefully, right, we'll see a spike back up for Filecoin against USD. Again, we still always ask the question, is this the bottom, right? Is this the ABC that we are seeing that is going to, result in a move higher, right? Where we eventually break the skinny pink line, where we eventually get a potential wave E, and then we break higher. You see that? A, B, C, D, E. Pooh! And then we break higher for Filecoin. This would be awesome, but again, we still don't see it yet. We're aware that we could still get another lower low, right? This was the low of the low. Again, something like this could also happen, right? We are not entirely sure, so we are proceeding with caution for Filecoin.